Good day, everyone. My name is Francesca Von Eslago. I graduated from National College of Science and Technology, Dasmariñas. So, um, I I went to St. Mary Magdalene School in Kawit for my 2 years of senior high school, and I went to Emiliano Triaderona National High School, located in Kawit, Cavite, for my junior high school. So, I have an internship experience with 400 hours of working experience in Binakayan Hospital and Medical Center. Why should you hire me? So, you should hire me because I am a competitive and hardworking person, and I can also work under pressure, and I know that I can finish the task given to me under a deadline or under a given period of time. So my learnings from my OJT experience is that everything or every experience there is a learning. And from these experiences, I can develop my career and I can develop my skills as an accountant. That would be all. Thank you very much.